turkeys. This is Bourbon Reds.
The ones like at the traditional.
This is the type that Kingsolver, Barbara Kingsolver bought. The Bourbon Red.
Barbara Kingsolver?
Yeah, she ordered a bunch of Bourbon Reds with her first try at raising turkeys.
Really?
Yeah.
Was that in that book?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
The turkeys.
Look at them, they're feathers.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Make them gobble, Tom. If you make a gobble noise, they do it usually.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
They're not a rooster. Look at them running. That's so funny. They're like aliens, aren't they? Gobble, 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 gobble. Gobble, gobble, gobble. They're not doing it. What? What? It's gonna attack you. Attack of the killer turkey. No, it's a girl. It won't hurt her.
What does it mean when they walk and they strut like that?
Which ones?
Like when they're all open.
They're males. They're displaying.
Those are the males.
Yeah.
What happens?
There's one out there. See him?
Oh, yeah.
He's all puffed up.
Oh, there's pigs over there.
Yeah, yeah.
I didn't see the pigs.
Gobble, 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 gobble. Nope, not gonna do it. You're not compliant. You gotta throw it back. I don't think they want you to though.
When you want this up, look.
That's so funny. Do it again.
It's like your direction of fire.
Brent, can you help this one over? He looks stressed out. Tom, let Dad do it.
That's a big bird. It's bigger than a chicken.
I'm not gonna. If you grab it by the wings and just give it a fling.
She should go around.
No, that's a female.
They still could bite.
It's not a male. Nah, it's not gonna bite you.
Maybe she needs to go around.
There's no way out. They flew over. He flew over.
There's another one.
Yeah.
What is it when she puts her hands up?
Just put her over.
Oh.
They think it's like a male displaying, I think, when you put your wings up, your hands up like they're
Yeah. That makes him mad when
He's got to put it back over.
lose my glove.
He doesn't know how to do it. He's like, it's just like a big chicken.
Are they a lot like chickens?
I mean, they're a little, yeah. I mean, for the most part. I mean, they're a little more work than a chicken, you know.
Yeah.
But I mean, they roost and they go in at night like a chicken.
Aw.
All right, let's go.
My Uncle Bud.
I'm freezing.